In this video, we'll see how to work on header and footer. We'll see three different topics. How do we add header and edit header? How do we add and edit footer? And also how do we add the page numbers, and also some formatting related to page numbers. So let us see the very easiest method to add a header. So what you can do is, if you see, I'm on the first page of fourth page, total 4 pages I have. If you want to add a header, what you have to do is, you have to go at the top of the page and you see there's a blank space which is added. You have to just double click on it. If you just double click on that place, you see there's a header which is enabled here and you can type in this place. So if you also observe, you will get one more tab that is nothing but design tab, which will have the other options for that particular tab. That means for editing and formatting related to that. Now if you double click outside, the header tab will go away, the design tab, and it will come out from the header place. So if you apply a header one time, it will be applied for all the pages by default, right? So if you just double click here, now you see it is started here. Now I can type some particular header. Let's say I'll type here as tutorials point private limited, like this, some text, and I'll just double click outside. So once I double click, this is applied all the pages. If I go down, if I scroll down like this, you see the second page. Similarly, if I go to the third page, this way it's adding. Now this is how you can add and edit it. But in case if you want to edit something, same place, just double click on it, you can delete or copy paste anything here. But now if you want to change the position of this header, which is on the left, extreme left, if you want to change the position, how do you change it? Simple method. Just you can do is, you can go to this insert tab, and on the right hand side, if you see, there's an option as header, and these are the positions of the header. If you see on the extreme left, center, I mean three different text you can write in all the place, and you see these are the names of the header: Austin, Band-Aid, and so on. So I'll just again go to that place. So you see that's added here. You can also add some text here and here. If you want to change, same method, you can go to this place. Okay, once it is activated, you can go here also in the design tab. You can go here also, and same options you'll get it. So both the places you can get it. So if I just go down, if I scroll it down, yeah, if I scroll it down, you see these are the different types of headers you can add. So this is one colored header. What I'll do is, I'll just select this header. So the header which you created is been replaced by this header, and you can just type some text here. So let's say I'll type here text as MS Word 2016. Okay, like this, and I'll just double click outside, right? So this header is applied at all the pages. If you observe, second page, similarly third page, and so on. So this way you can add. Suppose you want to remove the header, and if you you want to edit the header, if you do not have a mouse, what you can do is, you can go to this tab, you can go to this insert tab, or the shortcut method, you just press Alt from your keyboard, Alt, then you can press N if you want to go to insert tab, N. If you want to go to the header, you see there's an option as H. You just press H from a keyboard like this, and if you want to edit the header, press E. If you want to remove the header, press R. Now if I want to remove the header, so I'll press R from my keyboard, and the header will go away, right? Similarly, we'll go for the footer part. How do we add and edit footer? Same method, no difference. The only thing is, I have to scroll down. At the bottom of the page, I have to double click. So if I double click here, you see that's a footer which is enabled. It is the same tab which is there, and if I go to this place in the footer tab, in the footer option, same things are available. Only the thing is, you have to just scroll down, pick up your favorite, this one. I'll select this iron dark, and I can just type here a footer. So I'll type here a footer as MS Word 2016 by tutorials point. Kind of something I've written some text, and I'll just double click outside. So this way, on all the pages, this footer will be applied. So this is a very simple method. Same way, if you want to remove or edit the footer, you can just go to this insert tab, and you can go to this footer, and there are same options, edit and remove. So I'll just remove the footer, I do not want right now, and I can just click on remove footer. So this way the footer can be added, edited, and also be removed. It's very simple. Next, so the third one I have, how do we add page numbers to your header and footer? Simple method. Again, go to the insert tab, and on the right hand side, you see there's a page number, and there are so many options available. Where do you want to add the page number? Top of the page or bottom of the page? So if I select the top of the page, it gives me different styles, left hand side, middle, right hand side, and so on. So left hand side, middle, right hand side, and so on, like this. So what I'll do is I'll select the simplest one. I'll select this option. Since it is in the footer, so it has given me in the footer place, in the header place. So this is the page number 2. If I go up, it says this is page number 1. Double click and it will go away, right? So same way, every page, the page number is added. If you think it is not the right position, you want to change the position, again you can go to, by the same method, go to insert tab and this way, insert tab, and you can go to this page number. You can say this option as top of the page. Instead of top of the page, if you want to change the position, you just select the position, let's say this one, or now I'll select something else, let's say this one, accent bar. I'll select this accent bar. So you see on the right hand side, the page number is added. Same like you do for headers and footers, you can also edit. So I'll just double click, it will go away. If you want to edit, you just double click on this place, it will come back. The shortcut method, the long cut is you have to go to the tabs and you have to click on this place. So that's it. And there's one more. If you want to change the position of that page number, you can go to the insert tab, page number, select bottom of the page, or else it's similar. If you want to add the page number into your margins, so this one, if you see, that's a left margin of your page. If you want to add there, you have to go to this page number, page margin, and if I select, let's say this one. Now if you observe, the page number earlier was added into this header here itself. Now the page is added in this margin, see there. So I'll just double click outside, okay, and if I scroll down, you see it is the margin, not the header or footer, it is the left margin. So page 2. Similarly, if I go down, it says as page 3. So this way page can also be added to margins. Let us see one more example. I'll just go to insert tab and I'll go to this page number, and yeah, suppose you want to add the page number to your current position. So you can use this option, current position. So wherever your cursor is blinking, at that place the page number will be added. So if I click on this place, it says my cursor is at this place. So at the current position, my page number has been added, right? So you can also add at different positions, header, footer, on the margins, and on the current position. The last one, how do you format the page number? If you want some other formats, how do you do that? Same process, insert and then go to this page number format. So I'll just click on this page number format. I'll get this dialog box. Any type of format you want, you just select from here. So if I want ABC, or let's say ABC, and if I click on OK, so you see it has changed to page A. Similarly, if I go down, it will be changed to page B. So I hope you are able to understand. So in this video, what we have covered is, we have covered how to add headers and footers, edit those, and also work on the page number. That's all for this video.